Alrighty everybody, welcome back. I'm getting ready to add my breadcrumbs. I've added seasoned salt and I've added parsley and I've added 2 eggs, so I'm getting ready to mix it. I've never had this with turkey because I'm not a big turkey fan. It's the first time for everything. David, will you please pour me some more breadcrumbs here? I don't want to touch it with all this in my hands. Okay, whoa. And you just mix all of it until it's, very much incorporated. No. I'm good. Thank you anyway. Alright, are you mixing your barbecue sauce and stuff in here with it, or what are you doing, David?
It was what I intended, but you added the tomato to it, so now we'll put this either throw it as a middle layer or on top of it.
We can still add some of it in here. You just have to get me a dipper, because I don't want to touch anything with my dirty hands. Go ahead and dip it for me, please. A little bit more. Alrighty. And just put your barbecue sauce and teriyaki through it, and just... Okay, sweetie, that's enough. Wait. Yeah, that's good. We'll put the rest on top. Okay. Alright, so that's mixed. Let me wash my hands. Will you please turn on the faucet for me, David?
Mm-hmm.
Just sit this spoon. And please give me some dish soap.
I guess the operative word here is loaf casserole.
Yeah,
Considering the size of it.
We were actually going to do it in a loaf pan, but I don't think all that's going to fit in the loaf.
Might as well just leave it right in there.
No, we need a pan.
I thought that thing is might as well just leave it right in there.
No.
Why not?
Seriously? No. Okay, so the key object here is to find one that's going to fit in here, because that's where we're going to be cooking it. So Let me wash this pan out. There, all my seasoning. Yeah, we were going to use this one, but I don't think it's happening. Get rid of some of this stuff so I have some room. Pour it in here and just form it out. As thick or as thin as you want it. See, David, it wouldn't fit in a loaf pan, my love. Now would it?
Well, we didn't exactly think it was going to get this big.
Yeah, but when you add all your stuff to it, it kind of sort of does. Okay, hold it. Now, just come on, pour your. Just start pouring the remainder of your teriyaki and barbecue sauce over it. And then just. Okay, and wash my hands again. And if you want, you can put aluminum foil over it. Bake it at, what do you say, David? About 325 for...
It is a ground chicken, so I just say cook it something above the temperature of done chicken.
I'm going to say 325 for about 35 to 45 minutes. Check it, and if it's not done, you can put it back. Maybe an additional 20 minutes. Alright, when it's finished, we'll let you see the finished product.